In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a hood lift support on a Nissan NV2500. It's located underneath the hood. Before you remove your hood support rod, you want to support your hood, because once you remove your hood support rod, your hood is going to want to fall down. Just make sure it holds the hood. Let's get that hood support rod removed. Your lift support rod is held on by one clip on each end. If you take a pick, pry down and into this clip and pull it away, that will unclip your rod from your hood. And do the same for the other side. To install your hood support, simply push your hood support onto the ball. Make sure it's clicked in. Now do the same for the other side. Now remove your hood support. Now make sure your hood closes and opens properly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.